Welcome to our guide on making money from home. Today, the potential to earn from your own space is greater than ever. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a new career, numerous opportunities await you. In this video, we'll explore work-from-home jobs that align with your skills and interests, from online tutoring to social media management. Our goal is to inspire and guide you towards finding the right fit so you can start earning in a way that suits your lifestyle. Let's dive into these exciting opportunities together. First on our list is online tutoring, a great way to earn from home by leveraging your expertise. Whether it's math, science, or language arts, there's a demand for knowledgeable tutors. Platforms like tutor.com and VIPKid connect you with eager students, offering flexible scheduling. You can teach a variety of subjects, making it easy to find a niche that suits your skills. Online tutoring allows you to share your passion for learning and provides a rewarding experience as you help students achieve their academic goals, all from the comfort of your home. Next is virtual assisting, a flexible and rewarding work-from-home opportunity. As a virtual assistant, you provide crucial administrative support to businesses and individuals. Your tasks could range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to more specialized roles, depending on your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start, offering a variety of clients seeking remote assistance. Whether you're organizing a busy executive's calendar or coordinating team meetings, virtual assisting allows you to leverage your organizational skills while enjoying the benefits of working remotely. Freelance writing is an excellent avenue for those with a knack for words. Whether you're crafting engaging blog posts, persuasive copy, or insightful journalism, the opportunities are vast. Platforms like Freelancer and Textbroker connect you with clients seeking your unique voice and expertise. You can tailor your work to suit your interests, whether that's writing about technology, lifestyle, or finance. This flexibility allows you to work on projects that inspire you while earning from home. Dive into freelance writing and discover how your words can open doors to new possibilities. Social media management offers a dynamic way to earn from home by leveraging your creativity and communication skills. Businesses constantly seek individuals to handle their social media accounts, crafting engaging content and fostering meaningful interactions with audiences. Utilizing tools like Hootsuite and Buffer, you can efficiently manage multiple platforms, schedule posts, and analyze performance metrics. This role allows you to work flexibly and stay at the forefront of digital marketing trends. If you have a knack for storytelling and a passion for social media, this could be the perfect opportunity to thrive from home. Consider dropshipping if you're drawn to e-commerce. It's a unique way to sell products online without holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers, you can focus on marketing and customer service, letting others handle logistics. Platforms like Shopify make it simple to set up your online store. It's an opportunity to work from anywhere, catering to your entrepreneurial spirit. With the right strategy, dropshipping can be lucrative, turning your online presence into a thriving business. Dive in and explore the potential of this modern retail model today. Creating online courses is a fantastic way to leverage your expertise and generate income. Platforms like Udemy provide a global stage to share your knowledge with learners worldwide. Whether you're an expert in cooking, coding, or creative writing, there's a market eager to learn from you. The beauty of online courses is their potential for passive income. Once your course is live, it continues to earn. If you have a skill or passion to share, consider developing an online course and start making an impact while earning from home. Graphic design is a fantastic way to channel your creativity from home. By offering design services, you can assist businesses in crafting unique logos, eye-catching marketing materials, and more. With tools like Adobe Creative Suite, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're designing a brand's identity or creating visually stunning content, your artistic skills can shine. This opportunity allows you to work on diverse projects and build a portfolio that speaks volumes. Embrace your creative side and explore the dynamic world of graphic design from home. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the diverse work-from-home opportunities we've explored. From online tutoring to graphic design, Each path offers a unique way to align your skills with a rewarding career. Whether you're drawn to the creative world of design or the strategic realm of social media management, there's a fit for everyone. Now is the time to take that first step. Dive into the opportunity that resonates with you and start your journey to earning from home. Remember, the possibilities are endless, and your future success is just a decision away. Embrace it and begin your new chapter today.